Hi everyone! For today's video, papakita ko lang sa inyo ang Dipolog City Boulevard. So, we're going to relax muna kasi ang init. Sobrang init talaga, guys. But it's really worth it kasi maganda dito. So, ayan lang po muna guys. Uwi na po kami kasi tapos na rin yung appointment namin dito sa Dipolog City. See you again in my next vlog. Bye-bye!